I'm Iman Talaat, a professor of pathology and consultant anatomic pathologist at the College of Medicine, University of Sharjah. I'm also a member of the Emirates Pathology Society, and I am the head of the culture committee of the society. We have been working so hard for preparing for this conference, which started actually last Friday, 15th of December, by two workshops. One of them on the molecular pathology and the other one on the digital pathology. I was co-chairing the molecular pathology workshop with Dr. Kim, and it went actually very good, and we had distinguished speakers speaking about the new molecular techniques and the implication and the reflections on the diagnosis and the treatment of the patients. ESPC Conference, and because it was a successful event 2 years ago, so we tried to make efforts to make it a real successful event once more, and we had actually more than 400 registration. I would like to thank all the sponsors and the delegates, the speakers, the attendees, which came actually from all over the world, from USA, from Europe, from Middle East, and they gave excellent lectures give us their expertise in the field and teach us new technologies and new techniques and how to implement every single detail in our career to benefit the patients for the diagnosis and the treatment. Thank you for having you all in the conference, and still we have more lectures for today and for tomorrow. See you all and hope to enjoy Dubai.